Are you tired of your generic looking WordPress site? In this video, I'm going to show you how I turn my generic looking WordPress site that looks like this into an amazing looking website like this. You can see it's got animation, and let's check out the blog section. So I have all my blogs from my WordPress site that I've migrated here, and you can see all my blog content is there as well, and a beautiful page. I'll show you how I moved my WordPress site to a customized website using Astro, using AI in just one day. Before I start, I want to share what I want to accomplish with my website. There are 3 goals I want to accomplish. Number 1, I offer an AI training course, and I want people to sign up for that when they come to my website. The second thing is I also do AI corporate training, and I want people to contact me if they wish to do that. And the third thing is I've developed some AI coded apps that I want people to download, and they can go there as well. If you come to my WordPress site, you can see that none of these goals are being accomplished. They're just a bunch of blog posts, and there's no call to action to do any of the 3 things I want them to accomplish. The max I can do is basically I have this little free course that leads them to one of my courses, and you can download my apps by clicking on some other links on the site. So it doesn't accomplish that goal. Now, if you compare it to my new website, you can see there's a call to action to join my community. You can see the AI courses that I'm offering, and you can also see some customer testimonials to help you make the decision to join my course. And then we come to corporate training. Again, some testimonials, and they can contact me if they want that. And finally, if they wish to download the apps that I've made, then they can come here and click on that. So it accomplishes all those goals for me. But why can't I do that in WordPress? You can, but let me tell you what I don't like about WordPress. Problem number 1, if I want to create a landing page like the one that I just created, it would take me a lot of effort. And what's the first thing I would do? I would go and search for templates. And it would take me forever to find a template that is exactly what I need to have all those elements. And not only that, none of the templates exactly do what I want to do. Everyone has their own special use case. So after downloading the template, you must have attempted the same thing, which is you have to go in and you have to edit each section, remove sections, add sections. It'll take forever just to click around to modify your template. I just don't want to spend all that time looking for a template and then modifying an existing template, especially when I know how to do AI coding. AI coding allows me to just say what I want, and it will do exactly what I want. Problem number 2, there's a lot of things that require a plugin to do. If I want to collect emails, I want people to sign up, I want to do certain things, I need to rely on plugins. And over time, I've accumulated a lot of plugins. And it's just so much time wasted looking for plugins and modifying the plugins to work for my needs. When I can AI code it, I can just tell AI what I want, and it'll just build exactly the tool I want without messing around with plugins. So now that I've explained why I want to move away from WordPress, I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to make your own using AI coding and Astro. I'm going to show you how to come up with a design that you like using AI, how to install Astro, how to AI code your landing page, how to export all your blog posts from your existing WordPress, import it into your new website, and then designing a template for your blog posts on your new site. Okay, this is the last part. Before I dive into exactly how I do it, I want to talk about what is it and why am I using it instead of WordPress. There's basically 2 reasons. Number 1, I've written hundreds of blog posts that I want to carry over to my new site. I don't want to rewrite everything. So by using Astro, I can just export my blog posts and it will magically appear in my new site. Number 2, I'm looking for maximum customization because I want my site to not just display information, but I want it to have a call to action and get my readers to either sign up for my course or contact me or download my apps. And in order to do that, I need it to be very customizable. And I've investigated a lot of platforms like Ghost and other blogging frameworks. Astro is the easiest to customize. Now, is this for everyone? Maybe not. Because if you're not technical, you should stick with WordPress. And WordPress is still the most used platform on the planet. It's super powerful. It's got all these plugins for SEO, can support loading YouTube, and there's a whole bunch of services that you can pay for and use, but it's very hard to customize. If you're like me, you want a solution where it's highly customizable, fast and lightweight, and you're clear on what you want people to do on your site, then Astro is great. Especially if you know how to AI code, you can make it do anything you want without plugins. But the downside is there's no inbuilt text editor. You got to download a separate tool. So adding new blog posts manually will be a little bit harder, and you lose a lot of the tools that support the WordPress ecosystem. The whole point of doing this is to make an amazing looking website. And the first tool we're going to try is Google AI Studio. So go to aistudio.google.com, and you can tell to whip up a couple of ideas for you and see if you like the design before we even embark on this journey. So all you need to do is come to Google AI Studio, click on build, and make sure you select Gemini 3. I think right now, Gemini and Claude are one of the best at design. So let's give it a shot. I want to create a personal brand website. It needs to display three things. Number one, I want to sell my AI courses. Number two, I want to showcase my AI corporate training so people can contact me for that. And number three, I want to showcase some of my apps. And then I'll type in my name is Keith. So I'm going to throw in my LinkedIn and my Threads account. I provided you with my LinkedIn and Threads account as context. Can you create a unique looking website for me? Okay, so let's do that. I have all the things that I need. I click build, and it's going to go ahead and try to render a website for me. And then let's check back in when it's done. Okay, and it's done. It looks, very similar to what I have now, but it's, in a darker color. So if that's what you want, go ahead, and you can also prompt it and say you want to change it to a lighter color. But I'm going to say this is already really impressive. Now, if you don't like this, we have a second opportunity. So let's open up Claude Code and see what it can do. So I think Gemini and Claude are the best at design. And so what I've done is I've opened up the Claude app. You can do that on your Claude website as well. And you can create a new chat. And I use a similar prompt, but I added this keyword, front-end design. You have to type this in because it's a skill that it has to make even prettier designs that doesn't look like generic AI. And I basically recreated the whole thing saying, create a website. Here's my threads. Can you create a website? And then it'll do its magic, and I'm going to open it up and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what Claude Code generated for me. And as you can see, it's very similar to the one I'm using now. So I prefer this one over the other one. It's just a matter of personal preference. I think both of them look great, and give it a shot to test out what design that you like. And next step is I'm going to show you how to actually start modifying this so then it starts looking like the website that you want. Okay, now that you have a design that you want, you first need to download the file that you have. So this is the HTML. And so what you need to do is you need to download it, and that's basically your starting point. So normally you would label us as index.html. And so once you have this file, you can open any browser and then drag and drop your index file inside, and you'll be able to see your website. The next thing I'm going to do is you need to open your favorite AI editor. And in my case, I like to use the terminal. So I'm using Claude, Gemini, and ChatGPT Codex command line interface. So I'm using the terminal here. You can use cursor. You can use a lot of different tools. And then what I'm going to do is I need to type cd, go to the folder I created, and then I'm going to call up Claude Code, and I'm in Claude Code. Now I'm not going to start from scratch. I'm just going to show you how you can start telling AI to modify elements of your site. For this section, I don't like it that much. And in the design by Gemini, it's created this nice little kind of cards layout. I want to change it so that it looks like that. So let me show you how it's done. So I drag and drop the screenshot. I like the cards design from this screenshot. You use it as a change the 3 courses available. And so Claude Code is going to work its magic, and let's check back in when it's done. Okay, as you can see, it's added these cards to it, making it look a lot better. And so you can do that for every section. You want to add an image, you want to link to your socials, whatever you want. You just keep telling AI coding to do that, and eventually you'll get a nice landing page. Once you have a landing page that you're happy with, let's move on to the next part, which is how do we get your blog set up? How do we move all your blog posts that you've spent a lot of time on onto your new site? To get your blog working, you need to come to astro.build, and specifically you need to go to docs.astro.build and come here to installation, and then you need to run npm create Astro latest, and then you have to run install. Now, this sounds really complicated, but there's another tool I introduced to you. Even if you don't understand how terminals work, there's an AI tool that I recommend, and I'll provide the link in the description. It's called Warp. All you need to do is go to warp.dev and download it, and it's basically an AI agent for the terminal. So let's open up Warp. As you can see, I just ran npm install. I just ran the commands npx astro dev, npm install, and I had a bunch of problems, but no worries. It will be smart enough to help you fix those issues when it sees it. And all you need to do is click next. And then before you know it, it will get installed and you'll have Astro running. So that's how you install Astro, and make sure Astro is in the same folder as the folder we created with your index. The next thing you need to do is to export all your WordPress blog posts. So log into your WP admin, go to tools, click on export, click on all content, and click on download export file. So click on download export file, and you'll see what you get is an XML file, but that's not enough because as you can see, it's only 6 megabytes. You'll need to do one more step to really download all your files. If you come to docs.astro.build and you come down here and you go to migrate to Astro and you choose WordPress, you can come down here and you'll see it says you may find this tool for exporting Markdown from WordPress helpful. So click on this and you'll see this GitHub repo WordPress export to Markdown. And all you need to do is to use Warp again and then run this command in the same folder as your XML file. So you go to the folder where you have all your files, and then you drag and drop your XML in there, and then you open Warp and you copy this WordPress export to Markdown. You type in the Warp and it'll say, hey, okay to proceed. Rename your XML file to export.xml, and then you type this into Warp and it will start processing like this, and it will start downloading all the posts and all the images from your WordPress site. Once it's done, you'll be able to go to the output folder and you will see all the posts that you've ever had and all the images downloaded into the same folder. So as a recap, you have a nice landing page that's really pretty. You've downloaded all your data from your WordPress site. You've imported into the same folder as your new site. You've installed Astro. And you'll notice a small problem. The blog material is not showing up yet. So the last step is to link up your new installation to display all your previous posts. So connecting your blog post to your new site is really simple. Here's a command. I've downloaded all my WordPress posts into, and then drag and drop the folder into there, and it'll have the link to that. I've already converted to Markdown. Add a blog section to display all the downloaded posts. I'm using Astro and I've already installed it. And this should get the site going and create a blog section that should display all your posts. While you're doing all of this, you might realize some of the stuff on your website doesn't load because it's all running on your local computer. In order for Astro to work, you need a server. Either you run it locally or you need to deploy it on a real server so you can actually see it. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. I went to GitHub and I created a repository. You can do that by going to GitHub, click new, type in a name, and then you create repository. There are instructions here. You copy this into your coding agent of choice, copy and paste it, and then it'll start creating a Git repository. And it'll upload all the files on your computer into your GitHub repository. Once that's done, you should see all your files appear there. Then the next step is you need to go to Railway, sign up for an account. You can click on new, click on GitHub repository, and then select the website you have. and magically deploy. Now, if you encounter any problems, just copy and paste the error log into your AI coding agent, and it will fix those problems. As you can see, I've successfully deployed. If I go to settings, to networking, I can generate a website. And now when I click on this, anywhere on the internet, you can see my website appear. So that's how you deploy your website. Once you have it deployed, if you click on blog, you should be able to see your blog post. Will probably not look as pretty as this because all the posts you've downloaded from your WordPress are MD files. And how Astro works is that it has a template and all of your folders will follow the same template. So what you need to do is to edit the template. So for example, this image is not displaying correctly. So what you need to do is you need to go to an AI agent and say, modify my blog template such that it looks this way or that way. And then you keep doing that until you get something you like. It's copied most of the things successfully, but it's got some problems loading this image. And you can see this is happening to all of my blog posts. So let's try to fix it. So to fix it, I've gone into my coding agent. I said for all my blog posts, there is a missing image at the top below the title. Can you fix it? And let's see what it comes back with. Okay, so it's fixed the issue. And if you want the new changes to appear on your website, you have to do a git commit and push, because how Railway works is that you need to send your code to GitHub and Railway will detect the new change and then therefore update the website. So do a git commit and push. Okay, so it's done a push, and then if you come to Railway, you see that it's being deployed and you can see the log and it's all happening in progress. And then once it's done, you can go to your website and see the changes. Okay, and it's done. So let's do a refresh and voila, the image is there. And it should have solved it for all my blog posts. Yep, it's all loading. So you can see what I can do now, and you can tell your text to move to the left, move to the right. You can add more stuff to it. Do whatever you need to change the template of your blogs. And you can even change the way this is organized. Add a pagination, you can do more, you can add categories, whatever you want, and do it until you're happy. There's now one bonus section, which is how do you add new blog posts manually? In WordPress, you can just go in and there's a text editor and you just type your words in, but Astro doesn't have this. So there are a couple ways to do it. If you go into your folder, you'll see that all of them have an MD file, and you can open it with any text editor that you have. And you'll see that all your blog posts are formatted like that. Now, you can just create a new folder and then add in your new posts following this format manually, but that's a little hard. Or you can go to astroeditor.danny.is and download the editor. So you can open up the editor, click here to open a project. Once you've opened up your project, you can see I have 134 posts. You can click on any of them. I'll click on this one and you can see I can start modifying the text directly. I can change the image. And so you can easily edit your files using Markdown, and you can create new ones inside this easy to use interface using this tool. And that's it. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn more about AI, you can join my free community with over 2,500 members by clicking in the link in the description. And finally, if you want to learn about AI coding, you can join my AI coding course and learn how to make any product using AI coding and make some money on the side. I'll see you inside.